In this video, I am going to give you the simple tips to learn English and speak confidently. And in this, I categorized into three. That is, first level is complete beginners level. We call these as the elementary level also. And second is intermediate level. And third is advanced level. In advanced level, people can interact with other English speakers without too much effort. And before knowing intermediate and advanced levels, first we'll jump into the complete beginners level. Okay. And are you aware in this? If not, just cross check yourself by knowing this. Okay. Just go through the occupations, body parts, just a simple awareness, okay? And diseases, how many diseases we have in this world, okay? And plants, number of plants, we have a different types of plants we have, right? Just know the names, go and research. And trees names, I hope you are aware of plants, trees. Okay. Next, flowers names, flowers names, colors names. As we know how many colors we have, okay, by mixing of two colors or three colors we have another different type of color, and we know that things names, things, and vegetables names. We have a different types of vegetables, and we see in our everyday day-to-day life, as well as groceries we used. Okay, go with the groceries names also. Apart from all these, the most important thing we focus on routine words used at home. Okay. Used at home. Nowadays, no one knows the English, but they'll use some words in our daily life. They'll use some English words. Whatever the mother tongue we have, and we'll use some English words in our daily routine life. Just observe those words. Apart from all this, okay, we have to focus more on adjectives, adjectives, adverbs, and some important verbs. prepositions, conjunctions, articles as well, and its usage, and mostly to know clearly of every structure, use tenses. Tenses. We have to know how to use the tenses in every situation, and if we know the tenses, we can know the framing the structure, how to speak with others, how to frame the sentence. Okay, and this is all about the beginners level. Okay, and next, coming to the average student, or else intermediate level. In intermediate level, just take 5 verbs every day and frame it into structure, and then use it in all the sentences in your own words, and convert that structure it into Telugu. Do this exercise for 1 month. Okay, 5 verbs every day. Okay, I repeat, take 5 verbs every day and frame it into structures, and then use it in all tenses in your own words, and convert that structure it into Telugu. Do this exercise for 1 month at least, so that you will know how to improve yourself. And next, second point, use two structures and two tenses and speak. Okay, combine one structure, one tense and speak. Combine one active voice and passive voice and speak. Also write daily. Okay. Next, third point, you have to know to convert a sentence from Telugu to English and English to Telugu. Speak with yourself when you are alone. In every situation, try to speak in English and use English words while you are speaking in Telugu. We know our mother tongue, whatever the mother tongue we have, that is Telugu or Hindi, just convert that into in English. Okay, next, fourth point, try to make a grip on grammar. Not only that, try to teach the grammar to someone. Okay, just pick anyone. Okay, any one of your friend or your colleague or your nephew or niece, whoever it is, whoever have the interest to know or to learn the English, just try to teach them at least for an hour. Okay, and for the advanced people, in advanced level, we see or just learn idioms and phrases, synonyms and antonyms. Write a sentence by using all. Next, second point, read newspaper daily, English newspaper. And in third, read political, sports, business, crime, cinema, spiritual or seasonal news. Use dictionary to know the unknown words. Watch English news channels also, like NDTV, DD News. You can get the grip in vocabulary by doing like this. Also, translate stories, Panchatantra stories, Chandamama stories, or great personalities stories, okay, or else novels, Swami Vivekananda, okay, or apart from all these, study 4th to 10th standard English, social and sciences also, if you have availability, okay.